Ever wondered how your favorite Whopper gets made? Not the fast food version you see behind the counter, but the real deal, the factory version. We're going way behind the scenes today, into the industrial heart of Burger King. No shiny commercials, no fancy music, just the actual process. How the beef gets processed, shaped, grilled, frozen, and shipped. And spoiler alert, it's a lot more robotic than you think. Ready to take a bite into the behind-the-scenes burger life? Let's roll. Everything starts with the beef, not just any beef. Burger King sources their meat from approved suppliers that follow specific standards. These aren't small local farms. We're talking massive industrial meat processors that deal with thousands of pounds of beef daily. The meat typically comes in large frozen or chilled blocks, not in cow form, thankfully. And it's mostly a blend of different cuts: shoulder, chuck, maybe some round. No fancy ribeye here. The focus is on fat to lean ratio. You want that perfect mix to keep the burger juicy without turning it into a grease puddle. Before the meat even sees a grinder, it gets inspected. Food safety officials check for temperature, contamination, and texture. It's a cold room operation. Seriously, think walk-in freezer on steroids. Workers are in full gear: gloves, hairnets, coats, and face masks. Not because they're hiding identities, but to keep things clean. Once cleared, those giant blocks of beef go into industrial grinders. These machines look like something out of a sci-fi movie. Massive blades rotate and break down the meat into a fine ground consistency, kind of like how you'd do at home if your home grinder was the size of a washing machine. Here's where the meat gets its final personality. The ground beef goes through another inspection, this time for consistency. Too chunky? Back to the grinder. Too mushy? Reject bin. When it's just right, it moves into the mixer. Now don't imagine someone stirring it with a wooden spoon. Picture a giant metal bowl rotating with internal paddles that gently combine the beef until it's evenly distributed. No spices, no weird additives, just beef. That's part of Burger King's policy. 100% beef patties. No fillers or preservatives. Well, unless we count, never mind. We said no conspiracy theories today. Next up, patty formation. You know those perfectly round, evenly thick patties you see? Not a coincidence. Enter the hydraulic patty forming machine, an absolute beast. This thing shapes thousands of patties per hour. The meat goes into a hopper, that's like a big funnel, and from there it's portioned and pressed into molds. Boom! Instant burger patty. It's fast, clean, and precise. Each patty is exactly the same size: weight, thickness, diameter. Because if there's one thing fast food demands, it's consistency. A Whopper in Cairo should feel the same as a Whopper in Kansas. Once the patties are formed, they head straight for the freezer tunnel. And no, that's not a nickname. It's literally a long tunnel where the patties ride on a conveyor belt and get blast frozen. Why freeze them? To lock in freshness, preserve texture, and make transportation easier. Also, you really don't want a pile of fresh meat patties sitting in a box at room temp. That's a lawsuit waiting to happen. The temperature in this tunnel? Around 40 degrees Celsius. That's the kind of cold that makes your eyelashes freeze. But in this case, it makes burgers solid and safe for global travel. At the end of the line, there's one last inspection. Technicians take random patties and check them. Weight, shape, internal structure. Some even get cooked on site in test grills to make sure the flavor is still hitting that smoky note. Once approved, the patties are packaged by the hundreds into vacuum-sealed bags and boxes. These boxes are labeled with batch numbers, facility codes, and dates. Traceability is key. If something ever goes wrong, they need to know exactly which cow caused the chaos. Boxes are then stacked onto pallets, loaded into refrigerated trucks, and shipped out to Burger King distribution centers or directly to restaurants, depending on location. So that's the first half of the journey, from meat blocks to perfectly shaped flash-frozen patties. But don't go anywhere. In the next part, we're going inside the restaurant kitchen to see how these icy beef discs turn into sizzling, smoky Whoppers. Once the beef is thoroughly ground and blended, it's time to shape it into those perfectly round burger patties we all recognize. But no, there isn't a guy in a hairnet sitting there with cookie cutters. This is high-speed automation. The ground beef is pumped into giant forming machines. These machines compress the meat into round, uniform patties with surgical precision. Each one is the exact same thickness and weight, because consistency is key when you're making burgers for millions. The forming process is super quick. The machines can crank out hundreds of patties per minute, and the sound is like a rhythmic thumping, kind of like the factory version of a techno beat. After forming, the patties move immediately onto a conveyor belt that takes them through a freezing tunnel, also known as an individual quick freezing (IQF) system. This part is wild. The patties go in raw and warm, and they come out frozen solid in just a few minutes. The air inside the tunnel is around 40 degrees Celsius, which is colder than a breakup text in January. This ultra-fast freezing locks in freshness and stops any bacterial growth right in its tracks. Now that the patties are frozen, it's time to pack them for shipping. They're sent down another conveyor where automated arms gently stack them into trays or plastic packaging, depending on the region and distribution plan. No human hands touch the patties here. The entire process is sterile and robotic. Each package is labeled with critical info, batch number, manufacturing date, and freeze date. These labels help track every patty all the way back to the original cow, if needed. Not that anyone wants to do that during lunch. Then the patties are moved to a deep freeze warehouse. Think of it like a massive walk-in freezer the size of a football field. It's stacked wall to wall with frozen burger patties, waiting for their big moment. From here, they're shipped in refrigerated trucks to regional distribution centers and eventually to your local Burger King. Still frozen, still untouched, still waiting to meet the flame griller. Once the patties are shipped from the factory, they make their way to individual Burger King restaurants in refrigerated trucks. They're kept frozen the entire time. Think of them as beefy popsicles with a dream. When they arrive, they're immediately placed in the restaurant's walk-in freezer. Each box is labeled clearly, and staff are trained to rotate stock so that older patties get used first. It's a strict first in, first out policy, or as Burger King crew might call it, FIFO, or feed in, feast out. And don't worry, the patties stay frozen until the very moment they're ready to meet the fire. Now it's go time. The patty is transferred to the assembly station, where trained crew members build the burger to order, fast and with surgeon-like precision. Let's break down what happens next. Toasting the bun. The buns are lightly toasted on a dedicated bun toaster. No floppy bread allowed. Adding sauces, mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, all applied in exact patterns. Think of it like condiment calligraphy. Fresh toppings, crisp lettuce, sliced tomatoes, onions, and pickles are added. These come in fresh every day, prepped by the morning crew. Cheese, if you ordered it, a perfectly square slice added with almost poetic symmetry. Finally, the patty is placed on top. Then the crown of the bun comes down like a king's final decree. Boom! You now have a Burger King burger, built in under 30 seconds. Each burger is wrapped or boxed, labeled for accuracy, and handed off hot and ready. That's your Whopper, cheeseburger, or whatever your guilty pleasure is, fresh off the fire and into your hands. Burger King doesn't just slap meat on a bun and call it a day. There's a serious quality assurance system in place at every stage, from factory to flame to fingers. Here's how it works. Random batch testing. At the factory, patties are pulled from production lines and cooked to ensure they meet internal taste and texture standards. Yes, there's a person whose literal job is to eat burgers all day, living the dream. Temperature checks. In restaurants, staff regularly monitor cooking temperatures using digital thermometers to ensure the patties hit the correct internal temp, usually around 160 degrees, 71 degrees. Anything less, it's binned. No questions asked. Visual inspections. Crew members are trained to recognize the perfect patty. Not burnt, not raw, just right. If it doesn't look like it belongs in a food ad, it doesn't go in a box. Topping consistency. Yes, even the onions and pickles are held to a standard. If a tomato slice looks like it's had a rough day, it gets the boot. We're talking about feeding millions of people every day. That means food safety is not optional. It's the holy grail. In the factory and the restaurant, workers wear hairnets, beard nets, gloves, and clean uniforms. Surfaces are sanitized constantly. Like constantly. You could eat off some of these counters, don't though. Tools are color-coded to avoid cross-contamination. The spatula for raw meat is not the same as the one for cooked patties. Hand washing is mandatory and tracked. Digital systems even alert managers when equipment isn't cleaned on schedule. Even the delivery trucks are cleaned and sealed like they're carrying secret alien tech, not frozen beef. Alright, this part's important, but we'll keep it fun. Burger King has been stepping up its eco game too. In the factories and supply chain, they're trying to reduce water usage during cleaning. They've introduced more recyclable packaging. Some suppliers have started sourcing renewable energy for processing plants. Even beef sourcing is shifting slowly to more sustainable models, including partnerships with responsible farms. It's not perfect, let's be real, but they're flipping more than just burgers. They're trying to flip the script on fast food's environmental footprint. So, after all this science, precision, and effort, what do we get? A hot, juicy, flame-grilled burger, custom-built and speedily served. Whether you're craving a Whopper, a Bacon King, or just a simple cheeseburger, whether it's your lunch break, your hangover cure, or your midnight regret meal, that burger represents a chain of steps, machines, hands, and rules, all coming together to give you one bite of engineered satisfaction. And let's be honest, when you take that first bite and the juices hit, you're not thinking about conveyor belts or hygiene protocols. You're thinking, that hits the spot. Behind every Burger King burger is an army of machines, flames, humans, and logistics, working together like a delicious meat orchestra. It's not just fast food, it's fast engineering, fast chemistry, and fast teamwork, all flame grilled to perfection. So next time you unwrap that burger, take a second and remember, this isn't just food. If this video made you hungry, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more behind-the-scenes food magic.